I hope you're doing amazing. Welcome to Nyiha Mwai TV. Karibuni sana to this channel. This channel is all about hair. First of all, guys, I want to say a big thank you for supporting me. Thank you so much for you who have subscribed, liked, shared this content with your friends. I am so grateful. And if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe. It's free of charge. Yes, guys, as you have seen from the title of this video, I am going to show you ways in which you can style your twists. Yes, guys, twists. But there, guys, if you can remember, twists, I told you that twists are my favorite to go style ever. Any day you see me in my natural hair, just know I have twists. Either I have a wig or I have something else. Twists are my all-time favorite style. So I'm going to show you how I go about styling my twists in day-to-day basis, so that I remove that monotony of just having them falling down. Yeah, so as you can see, guys, I'm going to start off by moisturizing my hair kidogo, but already I have a style. I just did I don't know whether you can see, guys, I just did a knot at the back and made these two fall down. Yeah, like that. Just made sure it's a little bit cute, it's looking good. So I'm going to moisturize my hair. It's been a long time since I washed my hair. I guess this is like the 3rd week. So before I wash my hair, I can do something with it. Hey, look at that hair. Yo, my hair is thriving. Look at that. So I'm going to spray some water. Make sure it's not too dry. Remember, we do not touch our hair when it's dry. Never ever style your hair when it's dry. Remember to have some moisture in it. Make sure it's not too wet. It's not wet, but just a little bit damp. So I'm going to use this oil. This oil is, I'm using, this is coconut. No, this is olive oil. So I'm going to apply some at the length, not on the scalp. Remember, guys, I told you my hair is dirty, so I don't want to add any dirt to it. So apply it to the length of the hair and the ends. Remember your ends. Yeah. Repeat that to the same side. Let me add some oil. So, guys, my all to go favorite style with twists on is just holding it back. The way I had done earlier, you hold it back and leave these two, or you can also leave one. It also looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a style that I do most especially when I'm going to sleep, or maybe when I'm just at home. I braid the half part of the hair. I braid it down. So, guys, this is just a braid, and one of the reasons as to why I style my hair while going to sleep. I still want to look good for my husband. Yo, I cannot be looking shaggy, you know. I cannot be looking good during outside days, and at night I'm just looking like, you know. So braid the other half. This is a style when you can do well, maybe going for church. It's a neat style, guys. It's actually a very neat style. You can do this at night. You can do this when you're just at home. And I used nothing, guys. I never used a bobby pin, I never used any material. It's just braiding my hair. I'm going to show you the back. So this is what I did. After I reached this point of braiding, I tuck it inside to protect my ends. My ends are not rubbing on my clothes. So this is a very good style if you want to retain length, if you want your hair to grow. By the way, guys, remember that you should always protect your hair from rubbing your clothes. Yeah, so this is one of the styles. On to the next style. Remember, this is a very quick style to do, so you can leave these two. Just look for the center part of your hair. The other side too. Bring it up, and maybe you can do a braid or twist it up. Fold it back into the scalp, and voila, that's a style in itself. Let me tell you, this is one of my favorite styles ever, especially if I'm going out. Maybe I'm going out on a date, or maybe a wedding, you know, and I'm looking and I'm all glammed up, most especially when I have makeup on. I really love this style, but every time I do this style, I always make sure that my hair, first of all, is well moisturized. And then the other thing, I make sure that I have worn a satin top because of rubbing. As you can see, guys, my hair is rubbing through this top. So basically, you don't want your hair rubbing on your clothes all day long. So if you can get a satin top, that will do you way better, because your hair won't break and won't be dry. Yeah. Woohoo. So I want to do a side part. I'm just going to use the parts that I have. So I'm going to use this one. It's not perfectly done, but we are not looking for perfection. We want to look good. So I'm going to just take this and do a long, a thick twist. And now the remaining parts, front half, I'm going to do a small braid. So that is what I have, and then I can leave this or just insert it at the back there. Yeah, so I'm going to unravel this, and yo, that is the style I have. Look at this. It's so easy. By the way, guys, these styles are so easy to do. You just need to know how to twist and how to braid. Yeah, and maintain your hair. So this is a style in itself. You can have it like this. You can bring this at the back. And yeah, that's a style. So guys, if you're trying any of these styles, please comment down below. Tell me how it was, and maybe you can post, you know, you can DM me on my Instagram page at Nyiha Mwai and show me the photos when you did that style, okay? The photos you're going to send me, guys, I'm going to repost them on my stories. So guys, please tag me, don't forget to tag me, guys, okay? Let's grow long, lustrous, natural hair together. So guys, this is the front view and this is the side view. I'm loving the side view more. It looks A1. And this is the back view. You can also have it like this. Yeah, that's it, guys. On to one of my most favorite styles, guys. Are you ready? Are you ready to see this one? So basically what you do is so easy and so simple. I'm going to use just these two twists, get them back, okay? I go to the other side and take the first two, get them back and twist them at the back. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to do just a little braid to make sure it's well connected to each other, and fold it back. Yeah. So I'm going to come here and streamline the other twists. As you guys have noticed so far, I don't know whether you have, I love these two hanging around. Yo, like they make me feel so pretty, and yeah, feel like there's something good going on with my life and my hair. So that's a style. By itself, it's so easy, guys. These styles cannot take you more than 5 minutes, especially if you're learning, if you're watching and doing them. You won't take more than 5 minutes doing them, and they are so easy to do. Yay! So that's a style. This style is so classy. You can rock this style going to work, going for an event, for a wedding, for a birthday party, if you're going out on a date. Yo, this is your to-go hairstyle. Oh, I love the way it looked. It looked so perfect. And remember, you can still try this if your hair is still small. Try it out. Don't forget to tag me. I want to see how you guys are going about with growing your natural hair. Yeah, so that's a style and I love it. I feel so cute in it. So before I present to you this style, guys, I know you're going to love it. This is one of the styles you do when you want to feel sassy and good about yourself. So let's go ahead. So of course these two need to be here. So I'm going to divide my hair into two halves. Oh, my baby just woke up. So I'm going to divide it into two, and because I'm not going to use any bobby pins or anything, I'm just going to use one twist and tie the first half, and then I'm going to put this inside, tuck it inside, and then repeat the next. Take one twist and tuck it inside, and yo, we have a style. It's that easy. So if you feel like if your hair is longer, it's going to look very beautiful, and if your hair is shorter, it's even going to look more pretty. Yeah, so guys, try these styles. So that's the final look, guys. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah, so you can do so much with your natural hair, guys. You just have to be creative. Try something, you know, so you can follow the steps that I did. And don't forget, guys, to try them out and tag me. I'll be reposting them on my Instagram. Let's grow long, lustrous natural hair together. I'm Anamnagani. Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I love you so much. I appreciate the love, guys. And yeah, see you on the next one, guys.